Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Max 3 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. We'll have this pop-up right here with share and edit option. After a moment it will disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can then find that screenshot in your Photos application. You can see it right over here. So anyway, this is how you capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.